allow at least 30 to 36 inches of front clearance for laundry appliance servicing and maneuvering. For optimal access, follow the laundry appliance access clearance thumb rule of house construction by leaving 30 to 36 inches of unobstructed front service clearance so technicians can open doors, remove panels, and work safely. If cabinets flank the washer or dryer, provide 3-foot access on each side to allow lateral movement and tilting of machines during installation or removal. Keep 4 to 6 inches of clearance at the back for hoses, venting, and vibration without kinking supply lines or compressing exhaust ducts. Include accessible shutoffs and electrical disconnects within reach but away from direct water flow to speed repairs and reduce risk. When planning a stacked or closet installation, confirm door swing clears the front service zone and use shallow shelving or removable panels rather than fixed built-ins. For tight spaces, consider a slide-out base or service platform that allows the unit to be pulled forward safely without disconnecting major plumbing. One common mistake is assuming standard doorways provide enough service room, which leads to trapped machines. Measure the machine with hoses and add extra for maneuvering and choose wider doors or removable trim. Another frequent issue is ignoring back clearance and crimping hoses or vent ducts, which causes leaks and reduced dryer performance. Leave 4 to 6 inches and root lines straight with smooth bends. Finally, many homes lack reachable shutoffs and disconnects, slowing repairs and creating hazards. Place shutoffs and an electrical disconnect in the front service area or on a sidewall within easy reach. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse community discussions about practical clearance and installation tips for laundry spaces. We connect contractors with work leads and host a discussion community so we can share real-world experience on best practices and common pitfalls.